AI is changing the world. People are making money online. Freelancing is growing faster. The real question is, are you learning the skills for the future or just watching others win? If you want to learn AI, freelancing, video editing, and real online income method, you are in the right place. Hi, I am Mosh and welcome to my channel. I have been working as a freelance video editor since 2022. I am also level 2 seller on Fiverr, working with clients from different countries. I didn't start as an expert. I learned step by step. I improved my skills. I made mistakes and I kept going. Now freelancing is not just side hustle for me. It's my profession. On this channel, I will share how to use AI tools in a smarter way, how to start freelancing from zero, how to get clients, video editing tips that actually improve your work, real online earning method like freelancing, outsourcing on marketplace like Fiverr and Upwork. And I will definitely share my personal experience, my both success and failure. No fake promises, no shortcuts, only practical knowledge that you can use. If you are a student, a beginner freelancer, or someone who want to build your career online, then subscribe to this channel right now, because I am going to share the real value that can actually change your future. This is just the beginning. We will learn, improve, and grow together. Let's build something real. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep improving, and stay consistent. Peace out.